Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Will, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to take a pivot table like the one that we've got here, and I'll be showing you guys how to create a pivot chart using the pivot table values. Now a pivot chart is just some kind of graph or chart that you can create using some values in a pivot table that you've created. So the way that you create a pivot chart is you just select any value in your table, and what you will notice is that up in the menu options you'll have the pivot table analyze menu option. So just click on that and just go over here to pivot chart, just select that, and what you'll get is a bunch of different options for the different kinds of graphs that you can select. So go around here for the one that you think is most appropriate. I think this one might be the right one to go for. So I'm just going to play around, see which one I like. I think this one's the one to go for. So once you're satisfied with your chart option choice, just select OK, and your graph will appear here. Right? So the values that are in the pivot chart are just the values that are present in your pivot table. Now what you'll notice is the values here are incredibly difficult to read, and that's because BTC, Bitcoin to AUD, is significantly larger than all the other values here, making it really difficult to read all of the other values. So it would be great if we were able to filter out the other stock codes. So the way that we can go about doing that is if you go back to pivot chart analyze, we're going to insert something called a slicer. Now a slicer is like a kind of filter that allows us to alter the filter option very easily, and you'll see what I mean in a second. So we want to filter by the stock code, so let's select that. And let's just hit OK. Cool. Now we can filter out whichever value we want to appear in this table. So let's say we're only interested in Bitcoin AUD. So let's just select that value. Awesome. So now the only value that's appearing in our table is the average return on Bitcoin Australia over time. And you'll also notice that the only value appearing in our pivot table is the Bitcoin Australia value. So yeah, you can change the values here, and it will affect which values get displayed in your table. I'll see you guys in the next video.